Hi, I'm Ray and I'm in my garden at home, and this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables along with some flowers and some DIY projects, so please join. But today we're out in the garden and we're going to harvest our sunflowers, so let me show you what we're going to do. So I brought all my sunflower heads home and we're just going to go through and we're just going to pick out all the seeds. And we've got our pot. I'm just going to go through, put the seeds into the container. Nice little job to do in the sunshine. So one of the easiest ways is to clear off all the outer leaves, clear them all off one by one. And this saves having a lot of debris in with your seeds. And then split it open, take it section by section and just slowly brush the seeds out, and they will just fall out very easy. Just piece by piece, they just fall out. Easy job done. If the sunflowers still got the remaining flower heads, flower buds, these can just be brushed off and they will just fall off easily. This is a great activity to do with the children. So my daughter's come along. She's giving us a hand. So we're getting through the sunflowers now. Thank you very much. So I think we've got quite a few seeds. As we can see, as we put them in this pot, the pot started to condensate. So I think we're going to lay them out onto the tray, and we're going to let them dry off for a few days. So we need to dispose of the remains, and we can let the birds eat the rest. So we're putting them on this tray. And we're going to let them dry out. That's all the sunflower seeds from about 10 sunflowers. So all of these sunflower seeds are now on my tray, and I put them into the greenhouse where they can dry. Now these are going to dry for around a week, and then they get put into a paper bag, and they can be saved for future years. So if the seeds are dried correctly, they can last up to 5 years. So these are just going to dry out in the trays. And for a bit of fun for the kids, as sunflower seeds are expensive, we bought some bird seed sunflower seeds. And although there's lots of talk that the chemicals and everything makes these not germinate, well, as an experiment, we've grown these. And although they've been eaten by the slugs and the snails in the greenhouse, they have actually germinated. So this packet of birdseed was £1, which is less than $1. And we've got some free sunflowers. It'll be interesting to see if I can grow these on, and it's a great experiment for the kids. So grateful for my helper clearing the sunflowers, and we look forward to our sunflowers next year in the garden. So thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So have you saved any sunflowers? Have you grown any? Let me know in the comments, and we'll look forward to seeing these next year grow. Thank you very much. Cheers!